FluentPro Backup is a cloud-based platform that protects project management system data. You can create a schedule for automatically backing up your Smartsheet sheets in just a few simple steps. When you sign up for FluentPro Backup, an onboarding wizard will open. You can immediately add your first Smartsheet environment and schedule a backup. Click the Add Environment button. FluentPro Backup supports multiple environments for the backup. Select Smartsheet from the list. Next, select your Smartsheet region. Generate and paste the token into the Automation token field if you need to back up and restore automations. Click Connect and sign in to Smartsheet. Allow FluentPro Backup to access your Smartsheet environment. Click Continue. Select the Backup Content option. You can either include all the sheets from your Smartsheet system, only selected ones, or select all and ignore the ones you don't need. Workspaces for selected sheets, all groups and users will also be backed up. Click Next. Now you can define the schedule for the backup for both modified and unmodified sheets. Click Save. Your first backup is now scheduled to run. You can monitor the backup process details and the progress on the summary page. Alternatively, open the Operations Details page to track the backup status. All your critical sheet data will be fully protected within a few minutes, and you can restore your data when needed. For more information about FluentPro Backup, please visit our website or contact our sales team.